बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
Nutrimania, which brings all the nutritional information.
Hey everyone, hope you are all well and safe from Corona. Our today's video is based on the field of human nutrition and dietetics. We will try to give all the information about this field, like what is nutrition, who is nutritionist, clinical nutritionist and his role, difference between a nutritionist and a dietitian, awareness about our field, doctor of human nutrition and dietetics, role of nutrition in our society. What are the problems in Pakistan due to lack of awareness about nutrition and dietetics? Why is it important to promote nutrition and dietetics? To know all these things, watch our video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Now, I am going to tell you about some basic terms. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the science that interprets the nutrients and other substances in food in relation to maintenance, growth, reproduction, health and disease of an organism. It includes ingestion, absorption, assimilation, biosynthesis, catabolism and excretion. Nutritionist. A nutritionist is a person who studies or is an expert in nutrition. Many nutritionists are self-employed with a private practice, but others contribute to a larger team in hospitals, nursing homes, or clinics. In these settings, nutritionists may counsel patients, develop meal plans based on patients' health concerns, evaluate costs, and promote better nutrition. They provide direction to patients or clients on healthy living and good nutrition. Implement meal plans in health facilities or schools. Develop and prepare meal based on dietary restrictions. Work with healthcare personnel regarding patients' nutritional needs. They also conduct research. Clinical or medical nutrition. Clinical nutrition is the nutrition of patients in healthcare. Clinical in this sense refers to the management of patients, including not only outpatients at clinics but also inpatients in hospitals. Normally, individuals obtain the necessary nutrients their bodies require through normal daily diets that process the foods accordingly within the body. Nevertheless, there are circumstances such as disease, distress, stress, and so on that may prevent the body from obtaining sufficient nutrients through diets alone. In such conditions, a dietary supplementation specifically formulated for their individual condition may be required to fulfill the void created by the specific condition. This can come in the form of medical nutrition. Dietetics. The branch of knowledge concerned with the diet and its effects on health, especially with practical application of a scientific understanding of a nutrition. Dietitian. Dietitian is an expert in dietetics, that is, human nutrition and the regulation of diet. A dietitian alters their patient's nutrition based upon their medical condition and individual needs. Dietitians are regulated healthcare professionals licensed to assess, diagnose, and treat nutritional problems. The role of dietitian is more regulated than that of a nutritionist. Dietitians don't just follow the newest diet trends and make standardized recommendations to their patients. Instead, they develop diet and nutrition programs tailored to an individual's objectives and personal needs. However, dietitians don't just work with individual clients, they also work with stakeholders within the industry to ensure best health and nutrition practices are being followed.
What is Doctor of Human Nutrition and Dietetics? We will try to provide you the information and awareness about this field. The one who deals with human nutrition and applies the science of food and nutrition to promote health, prevent and treat disease by medical nutrition therapy to optimize the health of individuals, groups, communities and populations. They are also expert in drug and food interactions. In Pakistan, there are many emerging nutritional sciences and different private and public universities and colleges offer this degree. It begins after intermediate degree. Objective of the degree program is to create awareness and importance of diet. Students learn its vitality. They learn tools to improve health, gain a strong understanding of the best diets in the market. Eventually, they become specialists in the field of study. They work on assessments, measure the health of patient and provide the best suitable diet plans accordingly.
Now we discuss about what are the problems in Pakistan due to lack of awareness about nutrition and dietetics. Due to lack of awareness, Pakistan is facing a number of nutritional problems. Malnutrition is prevalent among people in Pakistan, particularly malnutrition in infants, leading to high infant mortality, is caused by the inadequate hygiene conditions, poverty, poor maternal nutrition, and lack of awareness of nutrition in the society. According to National Nutritional Survey, 33% of all children are underweight. Nearly 44% were stunted. 50% were anemic and 33% were suffering from iron deficiency anemia. Major nutritional problems are low birth weight due to the poor maternal nutrition, protein energy malnutrition, anemia, iodine deficiency disorders, and other micronutrient deficiencies. Lack of awareness causes many other serious health issues. People have adapted poor eating habits and are suffering from metabolic disorders. One of the main nutritional problems is obesity. According to WHO statistics, 20.8% of the population is overweight and 4.8% is obese. And people are suffering from hypercholesterolemia, diabetes, metabolic syndromes, obesity, hypertension, cancer, cardiovascular and other various eating disorders due to deficiencies or excess in the diet. And malnutrition means excess or deficiency of anything in the diet.
Now we will be shortly discussing that why is it important to promote nutrition and dietetics. Adequate and proper nutrition is an important aspect of healthy lifestyle. Therefore, it is essential to promote awareness of nutrition and dietetics. Promoting nutrition will improve and will bring positive changes on individual and community level. Like, for an individual, it will help you improve your eating habits. Permanently improving your eating habits requires a thoughtful approach in which you reflect, replace, and reinforce. Reflect on all your specific eating habits, both bad and good, and your common triggers for unhealthy eating. Replace your unhealthy eating habits with healthier ones. Reinforce your new, healthier eating habits. Every one of you would like to know the career opportunities for the ones studying nutrition and dietetics. It may seem rather simplistic at first glance, eat this, not that, but a career in diet and nutrition is far more complex and multifaceted than first meets the eye. We have discussed a lot about what is nutrition and dietetics and how it deals with disease. A career in nutrition will allow you to serve as a credible expert, a guru of good health and nutrition, if you will, who creatively applies these science-based principles to food and nutrition. The primary professional titles in field of nutrition and dietetics are Registered Dietitian, Dietetic Technician Registered, licensed nutritionist or non-licensed nutritionist. Nutrition specialties: sports nutritionist, which deals with improvement of animals' athletic performance; clinical dietitian, pediatric nutritionist, health coach; holistic nutrition, that deals with healing of patients using natural foods and products instead of conventional medical treatment. We hope you find this video informative, as we have tried our best to provide you all the information about this field, human nutrition and dietetics. But if you have any question, you can ask in our comment section. Nutrimania wishes you a healthy and nutritious Eid. Take very good care of yourself. Stay blessed, stay connected.